see where all my guys are. Hey everybody, we're live from the Avenue of Lights. We're waiting on the rest of the Marine Corps League to come on in whenever they get here. Luke and all them, when they get on, we will go up here. Eric and the people out here, they were nice enough to invite us out tonight. I'll turn this over here because it says tune in to Y101's make a quick announcement. There we go. Whoops. We're at the front gate right now. I'm waiting for all my Marines to get here. There's a quick change. Remember, everybody. Hey, Mike, what's going on, buddy? I'll show everybody the Avenue Lights in just a minute. Right now, I'm waiting for everybody to get on. There's a bit of change. Remember, they Y101 by mistake said Friday. It's actually Saturday when we need the volunteers, and we're going to be doing from Gully straight down to the National Cemetery. So, hey, Gregoire, how you doing, my friend? What's going on, Devil? I mean, Devil Dog. There's little kids around. I better watch out. All right. So today the Marines are going to be called snowmen. So instead of being called Devil Dogs, you guys are going to be called snowmen. So I don't say anything bad around kids. All right, everybody. We got some awesome people coming through here, and whenever Marines come here, I'll recognize our guys. So give me a minute. Okay, say hi. There we go. Go figure. Doesn't want to work with my glove. Doesn't like my glove. There it goes. All right, let's see here. I'm not somebody that can sit still. So we will go over here when everybody gets here. Our stuff's at 7 o'clock, though. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Here's Santa Claus lane. All right, where is my buddy Luke at? Hey, somebody call Luke. Tell him to go. We're live right now. Where's the Purple Hearts?
Yeah, we had the veterans, bro. We got a bunch of veterans.
Yeah. Oh, no, not you.
I knew y'all coming. So they sent the Marines out to tell y'all, have a good time. Where's all my brothers at?
Right here.
No, it's every one of y'all. Don't even give me that. It's every one of you. I had to say hi, right? Love you guys. Everybody say hi. Everybody from the vet's home. Say hi. Hi. We got a few in the hospital. I think George is still over. George still over at the vet's home?
George who?
George. George and Buzzy and all them.
Yes, they
Okay.
still there.
Okay. Luke went to the hospital today, so.
Oh.
So I'm doing this live for him. When he gets on, I'm going to embarrass him. Bye, guys. Have fun. Love you guys. Making sure none of my people are on there, right? They're all at the veterans home, too. Let's see here.
How's it going, guys?
Pretty good. Okay, pull these guys out. Beat the crap out of them, Rudolph. Oh, sorry. I mean, that got an orange vest on with a shotgun. Run! Run! I'm not here taking things. I'm just over here waiting for my guys. There's a problem when I get a little energy in me. I come alive. All right, we're waiting on everybody. Somebody call up Luke and tell him to get on. Tell George to get on. We got that live. I'm not going to do anything until all the Marines are on that are supposed to be here, but they're in the hospital right now. So, how are you guys doing? I'm not the person. They're the people. Hey, I'm a little worried about you guys because some people are smoking something and they keep seeing this reindeer over here. I don't know where they're seeing it from. God bless, guys. All right, what do we got? I'm here to scare everybody away. Just kidding. Or recruit them, one or the other. All right, Stace, where you guys at? I'm waiting on my guys to get here. Then we will go up and through it. Oh, here comes another bus. Okay. Woohoo. All right. All right, veterans are in free tonight. Come on out to the Avenue of Lights. Veterans are in free. Yep. That's going on tonight, everybody. Yep. Get the pass the word out. All right. What's up, Craig? Oh. If you see a reindeer, you need to put down whatever it is you're smoking. There's no reindeer there. It's a guy with a black sweatshirt. See? It's not a reindeer. No. Oh. Rudolph's got rabbit ears. Okay, another bus. Is this from the Veterans Home? Some of our people are on the Veterans buses. We told everybody they're coming out now. No, when I got on here, word will travel very fast right now. Like literally, I'm connected with everybody, and I sent a thing out when I got in here, not realizing everybody was here yet, and they're all getting ready. You think I'm the person, I'm not. The strange running around reindeer is. No. Oh, come on. Come on, Jesus, where you at, buddy? Alright. Oh. Where are my guys at? Okay. Do-do-do-do-do. All right. All right. What's going on, guys? We're going to get ready to go up here in just a second, everybody. Give us a minute. We're telling everybody to get out here first. Send the word out. Tell everybody to get out here. Get it out on social media right now. All right. All right. Get it out on social media. Tonight the veterans are in for free to come out here and see this. And when they come out here, we're waiting on the rest of the Marines to come on out here. And then we're going to go through and we're going to show. But right now we need to get everybody out here. I'm just down here waiting on our guys because the Marine Corps League's showing up. But I got to tell them where they're going. Huh? Larry, Terry, Ferry, what? Terry what? Jones? Yep. Sure do. That is my cousin Keith's father-in-law. Huh? Oh, that's cool. Let's see here. Alright. Alright, where you at, Jesus? Okay. Hey, Larry, what's going on? Alexi? Hey, Jeff, how's it going, Jeff? Have Crimsy, everybody. Enough. Oh, those aren't ours. I'm waiting on my guys. What time is it? Somebody give me a time. I don't save my time on my clock. Somebody give me a time check. Because then I'm going to go up and... He's good. All right. Oh. All right. All right, I'll be live back in just a minute. I'm going to shut this off for a second, everybody, and I will be live in just back in a minute.